guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I am starting off with my new organizational series. I'm going to bring you guys along as I go through the house and organize different rooms. But the first thing I have up to organize is our master bathroom. I'm going to start with our under the sink organization, and then I'm also going to work on our linen closet that is in our bathroom because it's just turned into a big old mess where we just kind of throw everything. So I want to get everything organized, have a place for everything so that we can find it and see it, and so it looks better. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. So let's get started. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of organizational stuff from the Container Store, so that's what all of this is. And then I also picked up a bunch of baskets from Home Goods that I'm going to use in my linen closet. So I am ready to get our bathroom organized and looking great. So it's easy to find everything, and also visually looks really good, you know? Makes my heart happy. So I'm excited to get this going, and I'm going to bring you guys along so you can see the process. So first things first, let's get these boxes upstairs. You want to say hi, Smokey? Say hi. Upstairs. So I'm about to unpack everything, lay it all out, and come up with an idea. My sink here, I kind of just have everything all over the place, and it is driving me insane. So we are going to get this place organized, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, I got these different labels from the Container Store. The Home Edit made these beautiful labels. If you don't follow them on Instagram, you definitely should, because they have the greatest like organizational tips and inspiration. But they have a line at the Container Store, so I picked up their labels because I think they're so pretty. I got a bathroom set, and then I also got a storage because I do want to do our like utility closet downstairs too. And I thought a couple of these things I may be able to use for the bathroom. So I got those, and then you guys, I got all of these to go underneath my cabinet to organize all of my hair care, skincare, makeup, everything. So I got a bunch of these different size drawers that are really, really smooth and easy to pull out. And then also a bunch of these inserts that you can put in the drawer to organize within the drawer. I had to try to guess the sizes online, so some of these are a lot bigger than what I was planning on. So we'll see how that works. I'm sure I can make it work. And another thing with my OCD, oh my gosh, it's gonna drive me crazy, is that this drawer is taller than this set, because this is how I had planned on putting it underneath the cabinet. So I'm gonna look at that and see if I wanna change the layout of that so I don't lose my mind. But this is everything for underneath the sink. So now I am just going to pull everything out of my cabinet here and start organizing it into categories, and then clean it out real quick, and then put the drawers in. So stay tuned, let's get started.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together.
So my one other drawer did not fit with the height of the cabinet, so this is what I'm left with. I tried a couple different ways, and this seems to work, so I think this is what we're gonna go for. And now I have everything pulled out, and also a lot of the things from the linen closet I'm gonna have to pull over into here as well. But I think I figured out a plan. I think this is going to be my hair drawer with my hairbrushes, hair tools, all of those goodies. And then this is going to be my like skincare box with like my body stuff, backstocked skincare, any of those types of things. And then I'm gonna have makeup and like a feminine care drawer. So I think that's what I'm gonna go for. I did try to plan it out beforehand. My drawing is horrible, but I kind of try to visualize what I wanted to do. As you can see, this is what I had planned to do. But these were too tall to stack on here to fit. And then with the plumbing, it kind of makes it hard too. So that's another obstacle, but I'm going with it. I'm sure I can reuse this drawer on my husband's side of the bathroom, his cabinet over there. So it's not gonna be wasted, just having to change up my plans. But now comes the fun part of filling the drawers. So I went ahead and put some of my inserts in here. I'm sure I'm gonna play around with these and change them around. But these Like It drawers are from the Container Store, and as well as the organizers. And they have these cool little clips that you can use to like clip the organizers together so they're like not shifting around. But I'm gonna wait to do that until I've put everything in, play around with it, and determine how I want everything placed. But I was thinking for here, having one of these organizers to hold all of my hairbrushes, and then this little one for like hair ties and bobby pins and things like that. And then for this one, I have a couple different organizers in here for the skincare stuff. So we'll see how that works. And then the same over here. I just have some long skinny ones on these two drawers to organize a couple of things. So I'm going to start placing some things in the drawer and see how it plays out. But I'll put you guys on time lapse so you can follow along and see the process and any changes that I make with these drawers. I do love how smooth these drawers are. It's really, really nice. It will be super easy to use on an everyday purpose. And it's also a great idea too for anybody that moves frequently like we do with the military. Because when you go to pack everything up, all of your things are already going to be organized in these nice little bins. So literally you just put this in the box and you're done packing. And then when you get to your destination, all you have to do is take the boxes out and put them underneath your cabinet, and everything's already unpacked and organized. So I think we're really going to like this. I did only get enough to do my side first because I wanted to play around with it and make sure I would like it. And then I'm going to order a couple more to do my husband's side, but he doesn't have nearly as much things as I do. So I'll probably just order one more drawer since I'm going to have this one left over, and I think he will be good to go. So let's get these drawers filled.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds.
Hey guys, so I just finished putting everything in my drawers, organizing it, put the labels on it, everything. So I'm officially all done and I love it. Now that everything's done, I think I do want to get like 2 little bins to put on top of 2 of the containers to put like my everyday makeup bag in and brushes, and then maybe like another little tray for like dental stuff like mouthwash and like my everyday body lotion and stuff like that. But for the most part, everything is done and I love it. I did pretty good on guessing, you know, everything that I would need. There are a couple more inserts that I wish I could have gotten, and I may go back on and order those. But for right now, it is working out great and I love it. Like the bright white just looks really great with the cabinets I just painted. That video will be live soon, me painting the cabinets. I am waiting to do my top coat on those and share with you guys why it's taken me a little bit longer to share that. I had some chipping in the paint, so I'm trying to fix that first. But are you guys ready to see the finished product? Because I love it. Okay, here we go.
Close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Enjoyed following along as I organized under my cabinet. It was a lot of fun, and I really think that it's going to make my life so much easier. One of my goals for 2020 is to simplify everything in my life, so I thought this was a great start to organizing the house, because this is, you know, where I start my day, getting ready every morning. So I wanted this space to be clean, organized, and simplified, so that when I start my day, I start out on a positive note. And I really think that this system that I put together here is going to be super, super helpful, and make it more efficient with getting ready and seeing all my products too. Because that's another thing I had noticed is like things would get lost in bags in the back of things falling, and I wouldn't see it, and I would forget that I had it and forget to use it. So I'm hoping now that I can see everything, I will know what I have so I can use it, or what I need to get when I'm getting low on. So I'm really excited to have this space organized, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have everything linked below that I use, so if you are looking to get your bathroom organized, then you can definitely just shop below. And of course, I will always have it linked on my Like to Know It as well. I will make sure I link the drawers for you guys and the labels, as well as the insert sizes and everything that I used, in case you are curious. I would definitely make sure you measure before you order, because they do have a couple different sizes to choose from. So it just depends on your cabinet size, and of course what you have, like what products and everything that you're trying to organize. You may have more skincare things, you may have more makeup, or you just want to have one side that's full of makeup. So just like take an inventory of everything that you have is my best advice, before you go on and try to purchase anything. That way you know exactly what you need. Try to break it down into categories, and then go through and see how many of those things you need, so you know like how big of a drawer you need, how many different dividers you need, how you want to separate it. And I'm a visual person, and like I said, I kind of like mapped it out beforehand, trying to like map how I want it to look in the cabinet, and then what organizers and everything I would need for each drawer. But of course, you know, that always changes. But just so you can have some type of like guide and map to kind of get you started, and then you can always go back on and order more organizers or whatever the case may be as you're going through it and seeing, you know, what all you have. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are interested in seeing more organization videos, then please give this video a thumbs up, and of course be sure to subscribe so you can follow along. We have lots and lots of projects coming. I have different spaces in the house I'm organizing, as well as some more projects that I'm doing to the house. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.